Welcome to my channel. My name is Mark. Here's the TPO analysis for HIMS. TPO is time price opportunity. It's market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time. How much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. And you see that I am happy because on my previous videos I told you about the air pocket above us and what do we have. Currently price for the HIMS at this particular moment traded near $24.30. We are this high right now. We actually reached our naked PFC left for us here. 1 second. Boom. Here at the $22.87, and we are coming higher. So what shall we expect right now? Here is the weekly TPO analysis for the HIMS. We were trying to hold this area after we dropped at the end of January, and now we're back to the business. Our point of control that's needed to break in order for the price to go higher is $24.61. Once we do it, then we're going higher, and I believe that we shall visit $30 for the HIMS in near future, for the swing trade, for the upside continuation. Of course, if the sentiment on the stock market would be bad and the stock market will start finally having the correction, but you clearly see it. Even right now, we are trying to go from the lows that we had during the Globex. I believe it was $6,580, and we are almost $100 higher right now. So we are trying to come back higher than 6,700 for the stock markets, for the SPX, and if we do that, then the positive sentiment will be still present. But if we lose it, the CTA will trigger, they will start selling, and most probably we'll see some weakness on the stock market. So please, I know that you are right now optimistic for the HIMS, but take into consideration what's actually happening on the stock market overall right now at the current situation, because March is still not so powerful month for the trading, because usually we have a weakness during this month. So just be clearly when you want to enter to your position. Is it a longs or short? So be careful. Here is the technical analysis for our chart. Let me show you what's cooking. Boom. We came to this big monthly level located at $24.10. Be aware, we need to hold it, and if we do, and based on the TPO analysis and technical analysis, I believe we will point to the $30 mark for the HIMS stock. Beautiful trade. If we lose this monthly level, and if the stock market will have the weakness, I would recommend to try really tight short with a tight stop loss, because all this positive news could be easily destroyed if the stock market itself will be falling. Because if it will be falling, I believe we will definitely have to hold $6,500 mark, because if we don't do it for the SPX, then I believe we will have the new all-time lows for the new lows for the current market situation, and most probably we will visit at least 6,300 and maybe lower. So just be careful. Thank you for watching.